I'm sure you are familiar with the word charcoal, but have you ever heard of activated charcoal? You've probably seen it in face masks, toothpaste, and even drinks. But what exactly is activated charcoal, and should you be using it? Let's find out. First things first, what exactly is activated charcoal? It's basically regular charcoal that's been heated with gas or other chemicals to create tiny pores. These pores make it super absorbent, like a sponge for toxins. It's completely different from the charcoal you use for barbecues. The key word here is activated. This process increases its surface area by up to 1,000 times. That's what makes it so powerful. 1. Emergency poison treatment. This is activated charcoal's most important use. Hospitals use it for certain types of poisoning and drug overdoses because it can bind to toxins in your stomach before they get absorbed. It is most effective when administered within the first hour of ingesting a toxic substance. 2. Teeth whitening. You've probably seen those black toothpastes everywhere. Activated charcoal can help remove surface stains from coffee, wine, and food. How it works. The charcoal binds to staining compounds and lifts them away. The catch. It can be abrasive, so don't use it daily, maybe once or twice a week max. 3. Skincare and acne. Activated charcoal is huge in skincare right now. You'll find it in face masks, cleansers, pore strips, spot treatments. Why it helps? It can pull oil, dirt, and bacteria from your pores, great for oily or acne-prone skin. 4. Digestive issues. Some people use activated charcoal for gas and bloating. Stomach upset, general detox. How it works? It may bind to gas-producing compounds in your digestive system. Important note, the science here is mixed, and it can interfere with medications. 5. Water filtration and air purification. Many water filters use activated charcoal. It can remove chlorine, some chemicals, bad tastes and odors. This is actually one of the most proven uses. Activated charcoal can absorb odors and some air pollutants. You'll find it in air purified bags, shoe deodorizers, car air fresheners. Note: activated charcoal can prevent your body from absorbing medications like birth control pills, heart medications, antidepressants, basically any medication. What I do recommend: using it occasionally in skincare 1 to 2x per week. Water filtration. This actually works great. Air purification for odors, teeth whitening, but sparingly. What I don't recommend: taking it daily, taking it as a regular supplement. Using it for serious digestive issues without medical supervision. Activated charcoal is not a miracle cure for everything. Use in moderation, and if you have serious health issues, consult your doctor before any usage. What do you think? Have you tried activated charcoal? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health and wellness content, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.